Naagin hot sauce. You know it tastes great. Move over, sriracha. Don't even try to hate.
So I'm going to be doing a Naagin Grilled Chicken Breast with a creamy Naagin hot sauce. Let's start cooking. So I've got a skinless boneless chicken breast, so we're going to add a little bit of Naagin sauce. So don't worry, you can chalega, lekin chalega. A little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil. You can even pre-marinate this chicken and keep it. It's beautiful. Okay, so giving this a nice mix, and then we shall start cooking. So I'm going to flip this over. So you've got a really nice crust on the side. I have some pre-steamed potatoes here. They are almost cooked. So I'm going to be finishing the potatoes along with the chicken breast. Add a little bit of sauce. A little bit of more of this lovely Naagin hot sauce to this. I'm going to give this a nice mix. So the chicken is getting an amazing color and a beautiful flavor. So are the potatoes. Look at that lovely glaze which that Naagin sauce and olive oil has done. Now these potatoes are ready. I'm just going to keep them on standby here. And next we're going to start making a lovely creamy Naagin sauce right in this pan. So I'm going to be adding a little more sauce. Yes, a little bit of cream. Beautiful. Some chopped parsley. Give this a little swirl. Beautiful. Look at this gorgeous chicken. Just gonna lovely baste my chicken with my lovely coconut cream here. Lovely, look at that gorgeous sauce and chicken. And it's ready. Naagin Grilled Chicken Breast with a creamy coconut Naagin sauce. Ready.